Okay, so our idea for this app was to help decide where you want to eat when you're out with friends and stuff. So the general idea of this app is there's a bunch of choices you can make at the first step to select what type of restaurant you want to go to. And it was actually really easy to implement because the Yelp API gives a lot of all the information we need really. So using that was easy because we used JSON, and we just had to parse that. And the settings, we made a side drawer in the app to have the easy access for them. So you can set the max distance the restaurant can be away from you and the minimum rating needed to show the restaurant to you.
Yeah, so this is the second step. You can choose what kind of food you want. So you can choose Japanese, fast food, Thai. Also, it can pick for you if you press this button. This is the result page. So it displays all the required restaurant information, the name of the restaurant, the star ratings, how many stars it has, 4.0 out of 56 reviews, and it tells if it's open or closed, and it shows the approximate distance. And this button, if you press it, it uses Google Maps to figure out the fastest way to get there. This button, if you press it to pick another restaurant, it like randomizes. And this one is the call button. You can call the restaurant. And this one, the sidebar shows more descriptive details. Yep.
And so we're just going to do the live demo here. So if I just select something like, here's the sidebar, by the way, and you can just select the thing. For the sidebar, we used a GitHub repo. And so if I select something like takeout and Italian, it'll find the restaurants nearby us here. And say, these are the buttons. It can like pick another one or give directions. And the final button just calls them, so. Yeah, that's the Forage app that we have.
So terrific, thanks. I think we have time for a couple questions for the foragers. Any questions? Yes, we have a question. Yes. Oh.
So you're using the Yelp API.
Yeah.
Why would I use this over Yelp?
So the question is, you're using the Yelp API. Why would I use this over Yelp?
Yelp also has the same filters of distance, what kind of cuisine you want.
Yeah, well, it gives you more options. So if you can already not decide, this like gives you. It was more like just an idea to like help you choose one, so none of your friends can like complain about what's picked, because no one can like pick when there's a lot of people.
This was actually based on like our own personal experience. We went out like with a bunch of friends, and we couldn't decide where to eat. And if you use the Yelp app, you have to like choose each like categories, like everything, right? But if you don't know what to eat, you can just use this app, and it picks it for you. You can choose it, but it can also like pick for you. So if you don't know like what to eat, you can just pick whatever and then go there.
So does it pick your team? We should do it next year for the Pick Your Team Members app.
It's me, Sid, and Danny.
Yep.
So that was a fairly short presentation. So I think we have time for one more question if we. Oh, there we go. Oh, you both have two.
When is the iOS app coming out?
When I learn how to make iOS apps.
Okay, thank you very much.